A very good evening, everyone. I'm Sakshi Rora, back with you all on day 9 of POSIFest 2024. Today we have with us Nirmit Sinha Goel. Nirmit, can we have you? Hello, Nirmit, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Great. Nice to meet you all, lovely people.
Thank you. So before we hand over the time, I would like to introduce her. Nirmit is India's leading speech coach and sales pitch consultant. She herself has won several awards and is one of the best competition prep coach. She also trains CEOs and CXOs for keynote speeches. A very warm welcome to you, Nirmit. It's all yours.
Hi, everyone. It's 4 o'clock on a working day, and you could be anywhere, but you're here. You're spending your time in learning all these 21 days. So, first of all, a big applause for you guys to be learning in come whatever may. You are here on time. That is a fantastic what you say habit of leaders. So welcome all of you. As people join, I would like, if anybody, thanks Jaitrali. Yeah, if people can switch on their cameras, it'll be great. If not, understand.
I have a lot of breathing issues, and from time to time I'll be coming on and off.
Oh, that's
That
so
is a
amazing that despite having so much of problem, you're coming here, you're attending, and
pleasure.
you're keeping your camera on. So fantastic. Thank
Might
you
be
so much.
going on and off. Please don't mind, but
I won't mind. I
it's
won't mind. I understand.
listening.
Yes. Sakshi, do we wait for others to join or shall we start?
We can wait for 2 minutes more and then we can begin. Yeah. It's
Absolutely.
4:03. We'll begin at 4:05.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
I love your subject, Nimrit.
Oh, this is one of the most important things in today's scenario that everyone should know. I'll tell you how. As I begin the presentation, I will tell why this is so important nowadays.
The reason why I'm also wanted to attend or at least listen, because I come from a corporate background earlier as well, and I know how much all these things mattered. And that time, not many people used to give this so much of importance, and now when it is the need of the hour, I guess.
Yes, it is the need of the hour, and nobody teaches the techniques.
Yes.
The world's leaders, biggest leaders, top-notch leaders, they use these techniques, but if you see, nobody, you will not get anybody who would teach you all these techniques. And if you know, it's all a game of techniques. I feel if you know the techniques, anybody can be a great communicator.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Okay, till the time we're just warming up, till the time. Yes, Ramesh ji, hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Okay, a little warm up we'll do in the beginning, so that till the time others. So instead of starting my presentation right now, I'm going to ask a few of questions. How many of you are teachers here? Just type T. How many of you are teachers here? Type T. And how many of you are coaches? You can type C. Okay, how many of you are from the corporate sector? Corporate sector. CO. Type CO. So Sakshi is a coach, Sunita is a teacher, Neha is a teacher, Judith is a teacher, Sabina is a teacher, Shazia is a teacher. Wow, I like it. Whether you switch on the camera or no, it's okay, it's fine, absolutely. But you're responding on the chat. That gives me feedback, so I know. So most of all, Jaitrali is a corporate CO. Okay, fine. So all these teachers here, how many of you know ChatGPT? They've used ChatGPT. Type I. If you've used ChatGPT, type I. Okay. And if you have not used ChatGPT so far, you've heard about it but not used so far, type N. So I will get to know. Great. So all you teachers here, do you know your students also use ChatGPT? Right? Dukhti rag. You give homework and it is so easy nowadays. You don't even have to type the prompt. You just upload the homework sheet and ChatGPT will do the homework. So teachers, you have to be one notch up than students. If students can do this, how can you catch them? Are you interested in knowing that? How you can still give them homework where ChatGPT cannot help? Type me if you're interested. Me. If you're interested in knowing how, because nowadays everybody, all children, even my daughter, and no, they won't even take the pains to type the prompt. They would just click a picture, upload it on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do all the answer. Yes, definitely, this is the need of the hour. We teachers, even in corporate sector, your subordinates are using it. Now, how do you differentiate in a world where knowledge is no longer a power nowadays? Everybody has access to knowledge. There's so much of internet, YouTube, and now ChatGPT, Google Bard, whatever you say, so many AI tools. Knowledge is definitely not the power in this age. Then what is the power? How do you distinguish yourself? How do you show that you are a much better speaker than the others? Anybody would like to answer that?
I think you have to be authentic. Eventually, ChatGPT being an AI tool, it is very mechanical, I would say. Like very is typically like navigating. There are certain terms that they constantly use in the ChatGPT. But the funny part, I'm sure you would be knowing it, that HXT is another software which is coming up, which is changing the ChatGPT tone into a human tone. So
Yeah, so there are tools like this also, absolutely. And see, AI is here to stay. There's no point saying ki nahi, 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 I want to do it. And very rightly you said, Jaitrali, how to be authentic. You're on the right track. How to be authentic. Nice to see you, Kavita.
So, Nimrit, what I use ChatGPT usually for, I am into a lot of writing blogs and articles. So I do the entire draft myself with my vocabulary, my usage of language, and probably ask ChatGPT to formalize it in a proper way. So while the idea remains mine, the writing remains mine, the thought, the idea again, the thought remains mine. I also write the entire article. I just make it proper to be presented.
Okay. So
I do it
yeah,
that way.
that is one way. I'll teach you another thing. What is actually people are looking for is experience and your stories. That is going to make it unique. See, only you have lived your life. Only you have had the experiences that you require, and that has given you success. Now, knowledge is everywhere. Anything you want to learn, go to YouTube, you can learn. There are videos for this. Like just today, I saw somebody putting a WhatsApp message in a circle. I said, wow, this is nice. I tried, I got it. It is like this. So any new thing you can pick up. But then what can't change, nobody knows what you have gone through, what you have experienced, and from those experiences, the knowledge that you have built, it's not that bookish knowledge. That is what is required. And that is all storytelling. And I'm not talking of Dadi Nani ki kahani. I'm talking of professional storytelling. All right, shall we begin? I think quite a few people have come, so I can Let me just 1 second. Give me a moment. All right, so this is the name of my program. Just a second, let me. Okay. Is my screen clearly visible? All right. So in this webinar, what will you get? First of all, I'm going to teach you one technique, a very powerful technique of storytelling. Then I will be teaching you in day-to-day life, in your regular conversations in office, in school, all professional conversation, how you can incorporate storytelling. Because not that, somebody will ask me to tell a story and I will tell a story. You have to incorporate storytelling in your everyday life. How to do that? This technique I'm going to give you. And then I'm going to tell you what are the elements of professional storytelling. All right. So before we begin, let me give you some industry statistics. There was a research by Stanford University. The stories are remembered up to 22 times more than the facts alone. There was a survey by LinkedIn. 92% of B2B buyers prefer content that is informative, educational, and that tells a story. There was a survey by Prezi that 70% of the people agreed that a good story can inspire them to take action. Again, Stanford University Business School, MBA students who were able to tell stories that highlighted their strengths and experiences were more likely to land job offers than those who relied solely on their resume. So if I tell you, like there are two resumes, both have same kind of experience, okay? But one person is just saying, oh, I've done this, 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 this. And the other person says, okay, while I was chairing this department, we faced such a problem and this is how I solved. And then, so who do you think comes across as a more experienced person? Anybody, you can unmute and answer. Who comes across as the more knowledgeable person, more hands-on, somebody who has this experience?
The person who has done it.
Who's telling stories? Both have done, but one person has just written the facts and the other person is excitedly telling the stories. Okay, when I was sharing this, when I was speaking there.
The second one, obviously.
Obviously. So that is storytelling. So even in interviews, storytelling is so important. And again, by hiring managers, career builder, 41% of them were more likely to promote employees who were able to communicate effectively, including through storytelling. Okay. How many of you remember the ad, Surf Excel ka ad? Daag achhe hain. How many of you remember? Everyone. उससे पहले क्या हो रहा था? जो डिटर्जेंट के एड्स आते थे वो क्या बोलते थे? सफेदी, कलर्स फेड नहीं होंगे, गंदे दाग, जिद्दी दाग. This was the narrative. करके जाएगा and tide and all those were the kind of narratives that were going on. Surf Excel came up with a story. Daag अच्छे हैं. It never says buy Surf Excel. He said you live your life the way you want to live. Leave, don't worry about the stains. हम क्या करते हैं? हम जैसे कभी कीचड़ होगा तो हम जाएंगे नहीं वहां पे, वाइट नहीं पहन के जाएंगे बारिश में, क्यों दाग पड़ जाएंगे? We are a little thinking on that lines also. कि हाँ ठीक है गंदे हो जाएंगे या गंदे हो गए तो यार निशान पता नहीं जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा. That was the mindset. It completely changed the mindset with its narrative, with its storytelling. कि दाग अच्छे हैं. Because when you are going out to do something, at that time, you will get your clothes will get stained. So does that mean that you stop living your life? No. You live your life the way you want to live. Do whatever you want to do. Leave the rest to us. We'll take care of the stains. बोला नहीं इतना, पर वो subtle message यही जाता है, isn't it? Suddenly, Surf Excel की sales एकदम सोर हो गए. And it became the industry leader. And all those कि दो बच्चे जा रहे हैं स्कूल में, एक बच्ची गिर गई, उसके भाई ने उसको पडल को मारा कि all these things that are there, it's a story. और उसके बाद सीधे लिखा हुआ आता है दाग अच्छे हैं. So that's how effective storytelling is. सारे ads में storytelling use होती है आजकल. Hello, hi, please sit down. आप भी आ जाइए.
Can I interrupt you?
Yes. Yeah. You can. Sure.
Surf Excel story has not really impacted public's viewpoint. Surf Excel story sales picked up only when compared volume to volume and weight to weight with Nirma.
Yes.
Surf Excel was terribly hit by Nirma until it was communicated to the public that Nirma weighs half the quantity by volume. Then only Surf Excel picked up. Otherwise, Nirma would have finished Surf Excel.
See, the thing is, ये दोनों segments हैं. एक है, lower this economic value segment.
I would still feel
Nirma
that
was a leader there.
even today people avoid stains on their.
वो ठीक है, but see, the thing is that story sticks. The story sticks, and those stories are working. Coca-Cola ने पूरी narrative change कर दी है. आज की डेट पे सी उनकी तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. वो सिर्फ ड्रिंक नहीं है, वो टाई अप करते हैं फूड कनोशियर्स के साथ, इंटरनेशनल शेफ्स के साथ, और वो बताते हैं कि इस फूड के साथ कोक जाता है. तो अब लेटेस्ट वो कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं कि बिरयानी के साथ कोक, जो हमने कभी नहीं खाया पिया. बट आई डोंट नो 10 years डाउन द लेन शायद हमारे बच्चे यही खा रहे होंगे, क्योंकि ये स्टोरी सुन रहे हैं. वो स्टोरी टेलिंग कैन इम्पैक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग, डेफिनेटली 100% डिसीजन मेकिंग को इम्पैक्ट करता है. ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि लोग दाग नहीं लगाएंगे, लेकिन हाँ, फिर कोई इतना गंदा भी होके नहीं आता है. बट द थिंग इज, सडनली एक नैरेटिव चेंज हुआ वो स्टोरी से. सो स्टोरी टेलिंग से आप बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज कर सकते हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम अभी भी व्हाइट पहन के नहीं जाते हैं बारिश में कि दाग लग जाएंगे. But the thing is, this is just an example. Another example I can give is Cadbury's. Cadbury's was already the market leader in chocolate industry. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि अब और कैसे expand करें. तो उन्होंने ये टैगलाइन लाए और ये कहा कि कुछ मीठा हो जाए, कुछ अच्छा करने से पहले कुछ मीठा खा के जाओ. So what they did was they actually broke down the sweet market with that. कितना सारा शेयर स्वीट मार्केट का उन्होंने ले लिया. अब आज की डेट पे आप रक्षाबंधन और इन सब पे जाएंगे या दिवाली वगैरह पे, लोग एक दूसरे के यहाँ चॉकलेट के बॉक्सेस लेके जाने लगे हैं, जहां पे स्वीट के बॉक्सेस चलते थे. वो स्टोरी टेलिंग. उन्होंने कभी भी ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन स्वीट्स जो फेस्टिवल्स में होते थे, जो पूजाओं में ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन स्वीट्स होते थे, उस टाइम पे चॉकलेट कोई नहीं यूज करता था, पर अब वहां पे भी यूज होने लग गया. बाय स्टोरी टेलिंग, द पावर ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग. उन्होंने वो स्टोरी सुनानी शुरू कर दी. अगर आप आज की डेट पे देखेंगे तो बहुत सारे एड्स जो हैं वो इसी तरह से मार्केट में एंटर कर रहे हैं, मार्केट शेयर अपना बढ़ा रहे हैं.
Nimrit, you're very right. डर के आगे जीत है is another such campaign. Then if you have noticed the Vodafone vis-a-vis Airtel campaign, when Airtel was launching Vodafone, they had told numerous things about what Airtel is going to offer to beat the Vodafone market. And Vodafone came up just with one slogan saying, Ditto and more. That's it.
So ये सारी story telling है advertisement market में तो बहुत use होती हैं. But today I am going to tell you how people like you and me, normal people, we can use storytelling for impactful communication. Okay. So let's move forward. All right. So before I move forward, some of you know me, some of you don't know me. So I'll quickly introduce myself. I have 21 years of experience in the line of public speaking and 5 years of experience in training for super speakers, especially. I've trained people like Mr. Gopal Krishna and all for his live field event. I have won Toastmasters, several competitions, super speaker of Success Gyan. I was the second runner. I featured in Outlook, Femina. I've got the Women of Substance Award in 2020. Basically, I'm an MBA from SP Jain and I have 15 years of experience in corporate sector. I'm an accomplished Toastmaster. I've emceed various business conferences and all these trainings that I've done. So this is briefly about me. Okay. And why do I do this? Why do I feel that it is so important? I'll tell you. When I train my students in storytelling and the way things start opening up for them, so many doors start opening. They get brand endorsements. Some of them they're getting place in their family where they were not getting. Some of them they've got promotions based on that. So when I see all this, I feel okay, this is something, it should not be kept amongst the just a few. It should be shared and everybody has the right to, one second, how do I go down? Okay, has the right to achieve his full potential. Why do we need to tell stories? Anybody? Why do you think we should tell stories?
One, it is more interactive. It catches engagement. It catches eye contact. So you are talking to the person and not boring with the slides or numbers or facts and figures. Second, it builds a personal rapport. It is
Yes,
also an
absolutely.
icebreaker with the other person. And also when you're telling a story, it comes out, everybody wants to know why you are doing what you are doing. So the
And
why,
it is memorable.
yes,
To tell
absolutely.
10 things and then after the presentation, they will like it, everything fine, but they will not remember. You tell one story, they'll remember that. So the memory, it's fantastic that way. People remember stories. Our brains are wired that way from childhood.
We even have an answer from Ms. Shelley. She says for captivating the audience as well.
Yes, absolutely. Now the thing is, yeah, Sakshi, please help me in this because I am not able to see the chat. So if anybody is putting anything, please repeat. Fantastic, Shelley. Yes, absolutely. So one thing is for sure, nobody wants gyan. Nobody wants philosophy. There's enough gyan on the internet. There's enough knowledge in the internet. वो नहीं चाहिए. Second thing is, our brains need to be triggered. If you just give knowledge and those things, you take the person, our psychology is set in such a way that we go back to the classroom setting, how we were taught things without stories. Nowadays things have changed, but in our childhood we were just taught. Nobody was telling us through stories, and so it just immediately our brain shuts off. It's very boring. And the third is not being, nobody wants to be a face in the crowd. Everybody has access to AI tools, but how to differentiate oneself is only through the stories that you tell. Stories that come from your life. And that is why it can never be copied by anybody, because they have come from your life. Nobody can copy, only everybody's life is unique. So because the stories, they come from our life, our experience, it cannot be copied. And that is why it is unique. Now I want to teach you all a powerful technique of storytelling. Are you ready? I want a volunteer for this. I want to volunteer. Who wants to volunteer?
Yes, we are.
Jetrali?
Yes.
Awesome. So, can you switch on your camera? I know you have health issues, but still, thank you so much. So, I'll be asking you a question. As soon as you ask this, you see the question on the screen, just start answering. Okay?
Wear my specs. What-
Yes, 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 yes.
Shoot.
Okay, so I'm changing the slide. Just speak a question, just start speaking whatever comes to your mind. There's an opinion that I'm asking you, your opinion. Okay, there's nothing of knowledge. I'm asking you your opinion. What, according to you, will be the impact of artificial intelligence on the world?
There will be a lot of brain drain eventually happening. Artificial intelligence is going to take over the idea of it is going to slow down the process of what people are writing, using their minds to write. But at the same time, it can be, if it is used intelligently and wisely, it can be a support mechanism to our everyday life to make it better.
Awesome. Okay, so this is so generally what happens in our meetings, we're asked of our opinions, or some question is asked, everybody gives their opinion, and this is how everybody gives their opinion. Okay, now I'll teach you a technique. That technique is called Oreo technique. Okay, Oreo. Here O stands for opinion. So Jetrali, she gave her opinion and just finished. She did only the first O. Okay, now what I'm saying is, you give your opinion, then give the reason why you're saying so, and then you give an example. This example is the story that you're going to put, and then again finish off, because when we tell story, we go somewhere and then we have to bring back to the audience to what we said, and so you reiterate your opinion in another word. Okay, so the same thing what Jetrali said. Okay, the same question we go back to, and I'll help Jetrali create the same answer in the Oreo technique. Okay, so you said initially, you said ki, okay, you said some good point about it, you said some bad point about it, and then you concluded. Okay, what if you ask, so supposing somebody asks me, what according to you would be the impact of artificial intelligence on the world? Artificial intelligence is here to say, let us make it our friend. This is definitely going to be here. There was a time I remember in late 90s, when internet had just come. And at that time also, people were saying that it will eat up everybody's job. People will lose their jobs. But did people lose their jobs? There are many more jobs that were created. And because so many jobs were created, it actually expands. It is something new that we come. We need to embrace that. So I would say that yes, the impact of artificial intelligence in this world is going to be very good, provided you learn to use it. The faster you learn to use it, the better it is. Now, what I've done here, I've given my opinion that we need to learn to use it. Then I gave the reason why, because it is here to stay. And then I gave a story that in late 90s, when internet had come, that time also people said, people are going to lose their jobs and all such things. So I'm telling a story of that time. But it didn't happen that way. It actually created more jobs. The same way people are scared that, artificial, because of AI, people will lose their jobs. It's not going to happen. You just need to learn it fast as possible. You have to be on top of artificial intelligence. So I have proved my point. I have given the reason. I've given a story, and then I have reiterated my point. Now, if anybody asks you opinion, if you give it in this format, isn't it much more powerful, much more memorable? After some time also, when you go and you think, okay, क्या बोला था? और कुछ नहीं तो ये याद रहेगा कि 90s में भी जब इंटरनेट आया था, तब भी लोगों ने यही किया था और ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. So that is going to be remembered, and that is a much better way of answering. So you must have seen कि many times it happens, जो meetings हो रही होती हैं, everybody asks your opinion, you give your opinion and then sit, or you give your opinion and reason and then sit. But if you add just a little bit, one story why you're saying so, a relevant story, then it is like, everybody will say, wow, yeah, actually, that is much more powerful, isn't it? Are you all with me?
Yep.
Are you learning something?
Definitely.
Awesome. So this I'm going to tell you now. This is one of the program that I have, Story Leader 2.0. Okay, here it's a 5-day very powerful program. Through this, the day-wise breakup, I'll tell you the elements of the story. Okay, how it is. So in day 1, if I say it's the spark, that means the beginning of the story has to be very powerful, because beginning of the story is a promise that should we spend time listening to this story or no? Time is the most precious thing nowadays. So if in the beginning of the story is also not so good, the rest of the story might be very good. But if the beginning of the story is not good, say, "Arey, not interested," may not go for it. So the beginning of the story should be out of the box, it should be very good. The next is the basic story structure. If I tell you, all the movies, if you see, most of the movies are based on this basic story structure. There is a protagonist, एक कोई हीरो होता है जो एक प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाता है, फिर उसको कोई मिलता है, फिर वो मिलके उसको प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं और एक सक्सेस होती है. 80 to 90% स्टोरीज आर लाइक दिस. बहुत बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है. लेकिन आप कोई भी अपनी फेवरेट मूवी निकाल के देख लें, चाहे वो कराटे किड हो, उसको कराटे सीखना था, उसको एक मेंटर मिला, उसने उसको सिखाया एंड में वो कंपटीशन जीत गया. या फिर जब भी मेट हो, वो अपनी जिंदगी से परेशान हो गया था, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के जा रहा था, उसको मिली कौन? करीना कपूर. उसने उसको जीना सिखाया, जस्ट बिकॉज द वे शी वॉज हैप्पीली. एंड वो उससे सीख के वो वापस गया और उसने अपने बिजनेस जिससे भाग गया था वो, उसको वापस नेक्स्ट बुलंदियों पे पहुंचाया. कोई मूवी उठा के देख लो, ये बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस. बट हाँ, आपको कैसे यूज करना है, हम कैसे यूज करते हैं उसको क्लाइंट स्टोरीज बनाने में, कि जैसे जब हम हर एक को अपनी क्लाइंट स्टोरीज, टेस्टिमोनियल्स प्रेजेंट करने होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज ऑडियंस पर्सपेक्टिव. वी नेवर टॉक फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. वी नेवर से एनीथिंग कि हाँ हमें ये आता है, हमें ये बोलना है, हमने बोल दिया. A good speaker is the person who understands the audience. ऑडियंस को कैसे अपने काबू में रखना है. I'll show you with an example, and then you'll understand much better. कैसे उनको इन्फ्लुएंस करना है डिसीजन मेकिंग में, कैसे उनको अपने जो भी हम अपनी कहना चाह रहे हैं वो बात, वो किस तरह से स्टोरी करें. I know some of you must have seen this movie Drishyam. How many of you have seen this movie Drishyam? Drishyam देखिए.
Yes.
No, just tell me chat में.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Brilliant movie ना.
Very nice.
Yes.
सारी स्टोरी टेलिंग की टेक्निक्स है उसमें. कैसे सस्पेंस क्रिएट करना है, ये सारी साइंस है जो मैं सिखाती हूँ. उसके बाद साइंस ऑफ हाउ टू बिल्ड सस्पेंस, हाउ टू बिल्ड इमोशनल कनेक्ट. एक वो थ्रिलर की तरह, क्या होगा, क्या ये हो पाएगा, कीपिंग द ऑडियंस ऑन द एज ऑफ देयर सीट्स, कि यार ये बच पाएंगे कि नहीं बच पाएंगे, बच पाएंगे कि नहीं बच पाएंगे. अनलेस यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द एज ऑफ द सीट्स, वो थ्रिलर बेकार है.
Nirmit, I would
Yes.
like to add, he was able to tell the story only because the entire family had experienced those events. So they were not lying, right?
Yes.
That is why they were not caught. They had not done it on the
क्या वो
same
पूरा
day. Yes.
brilliantly वो वापस वो
Yes,
experience
they
दिया
could create it
उनको.
because they had actually lived those events.
Yes, absolutely. It was a brilliant story. And वो किस तरह से वो बनाए, वो पूरा emotional connect, वो suspense, ये सब की techniques होती हैं, you know that. These are all techniques. I can't teach you all the techniques. Then, as I was telling you, storytelling is used for branding. Coca-Cola was the first one to use stories for branding. और आज तो अब तो सारे ही कर रहे होते हैं. For scaling up, Airbnb, especially जो startups हैं, brilliant stories you hear from them. So all these people, ये, you know, this is called professional storytelling. The audience should be able to make the decision. अगर आप sales में हैं, तो you should be able to make the buying decision. So you want to see this in action? Yes, no, maybe?
Yes, yes,
कि कैसे ये apply करी हैं techniques?
yes.
I will show you one of my speeches, which was in Super Speaker season 1, and this story had to go for public voting, and this story helped me come into top 10. Okay, so this story, first I will show you the story. Hardly 90 seconds ki hoti hai ye, because we have not a second more we can go. 90 seconds ki, first you just watch it, and then I will break down step by step and I'll tell you what elements I've used. Yes? Yes? Ashok ji?
Yes.
Ramesh ji? Tasneem? Yes, absolutely. Okay, fine. So I'll just start sharing. Wait 1 second. First open it. And this is actually my true story. So as Jaitrali said, now can you see my screen?
Yes, it's visible.
Should I make it bigger? How far can a child with hearing loss go? A question that stared me right in the eye 10 years back. My life was perfect before that. God chose me for Prisha, but the news of her hearing loss shattered me. My priorities changed suddenly. Nothing was more important. Career, family, not even me. Making her better than the best became my supreme goal. Thus started my journey of research, finding best solutions. And wherever I couldn't find any, I developed them myself. They said she won't be school ready by 3. So I used innovative ways to develop her language. During the day, I would give her new vocabulary, click pictures, and when she slept, I made her experience books to be used the very next day. Prisha was mainstreamed at the right age. They said she would have balance issues. So I started training her in dance and sports. Prisha is an ace sports girl. They said her future is a question mark. So I taught her coding. Prisha is the youngest digital champion of her school. Every day was a challenge. And the list is long. But people say you can't do it. I figure out how I can do it. Put in 10 times the effort and make it happen. Thank you, God, for giving me Prisha. It's because of her that I rediscovered myself. And it's because of her that I'm causing a beautiful impact in this world, making my journey a resource that is helping others. And people call me Miracle Mom. An MBA by qualification, an artist at heart, and a parent at the core. I'm an author, a life coach, and a parenting expert. My challenge is now my channel, making my life purposefully perfect. It was audible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Something in the chat. Thank you, Tasneem. Okay, now I'll break it bit by bit and I'll tell you what I did. Okay. How far can a child with hearing loss go? Now, this is something, what I was saying, out of the box, something that makes you think. So people are thinking somebody with child with hearing loss, what can that person do? Kitna aage tak jayega? And that is everybody's. This is actual reality which I faced.
A question that stared me right in the eye 10 years back. My life was perfect before that.
Now, this technique is called stitching up the ends. I call it stitching up the ends. You begin in a particular way and in the end, you end in that particular way. You know, it has to be come full circle. So I said my life was perfect before that. And in the end, how I end? My life was purposefully perfect. So that time also, that was perfect. All this happened. I was shattered and all that. And then I picked up myself and all that. And now, not only is my life perfect, but now I have a purpose. So now it is purposefully perfect.
God chose me for Prisha, but the news of her hearing loss shattered me. My priorities changed suddenly. Nothing was more important. Career, family, not even me. Making her better than the best became my supreme goal.
This
That's
is what I'm saying, emotional connect. Anybody who's born with a child who has a problem suddenly forgets the world. Here it is like, appealing. And so many judges of them, they said, you made us cry. Nowhere it is that victim mindset do you see. It's not ki haan theek hai, haar hi nahi main. So this is, you empathize ki this is my world, this is what I was going through.
started my journey of research, finding best solutions. And wherever I couldn't find any, I developed them myself. They said she won't be school ready by
Look at this technique. Now, this technique is, as I told you, keeping the audience on the stage, on the edge of their seats. कुछ होगा फिर इसका ठीक होगा, फिर कुछ होगा फिर कुछ हो जाएगा, इससे पहले कि वो रेस्ट ओ चलो रिलैक्स, चलो ठीक हो गया, नहीं 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 अभी तो और प्रॉब्लम थी, फिर वो अच्छा ठीक है चलो, फिर और प्रॉब्लम थी. तो इट्स लाइक इट कीप्स यू हुक्ड going on. I do 3 times minimum. Somebody said something.
So can muted it. So
Yeah. So the thing is कि ये हमें इसको एज पे रखते हैं. This is called a roller coaster technique. कि हम उसको ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे लेके जाते हैं. दृश्यम में भी if you see, एक चीज से निकलते थे फिर कुछ और हो जाता था, फिर उस चीज से निकलते थे ये लोग फिर कुछ और हो जाता था. A gripping story is like this only, is made like this.
So I used innovative ways to develop her language. During the day, I would give her new vocabulary, click pictures. And when
So this was the first one. In the sense, they said कि school ready right age. And actually people were saying कि इसका date of birth change करा दो, वो school ready नहीं होगी. But then ये सब करने से right age पे वो she was mainstreamed.
they said she would have balance issues.
So as you
So I
see,
started
अगर
training
ear
her in dance and
में
sports.
ear is also for balance, not just for hearing. तो उसके balance issues होंगे. जो चीज मुझे बोलते थे कि नहीं होगा ये, मैं उस पे हुक्का पानी लेके चढ़ जाती कि ये तो ठीक करना है मुझे. सो डांस और स्पोर्ट्स दोनों में ट्रेन करना शुरू. स्पोर्ट्स में वो बहुत अच्छी निकल गई.
Prisha is an ace. Question mark. So I taught her coding. Prisha is the youngest digital
So
champion
this for
of the
app
school.
designing, she was in 4th. और ये जो competition है वो 12th बच्चों का आता है. She became the winner of app designing. So the thing is कि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, सबसे ज्यादा वरी क्या होती है पेरेंट्स को, हमारे बच्चे का फ्यूचर. तो उनका कि इसके फ्यूचर में तो क्या है, क्या होगा इसका फ्यूचर. तो मैं कहा ओके, हर चीज के लिए तो नहीं यूज होते ना लैंग्वेज. मैं वो फ्यूचर चुनती हूँ जिसमें लैंग्वेज ही नहीं होती है. So that is like designing, app designing. So I started training her in that.
Every day was a challenge, and the list is long. So when people say you can't do it, I figure out how I can do it, put in 10 times the effort, and make it happen. Thank you, God, for giving me
Now
this.
this is called emotional contrast. It was like going down, then that determination, and then this happiness. This again comes as a surprise out of the box. लोग कहेंगे अरे generally victim mindset होना चाहिए इस टाइम पे, but I am saying देखिए why me, हमें ही क्यों मिलनी थी, मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा क्यों होना था. Generally ये होता है लोगों का. And here I am saying just the opposite narrative. I am saying thank God for giving me Prisha, because उसने मुझे लाइफ का एक पर्पस दिया है. वरना ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ जी रही थी मैं. नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन किया, MBA किया, कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं, नॉर्मल लाइफ.
It's because of her that I rediscovered myself. And it's because of her that I'm causing a beautiful impact in this world, making my journey a resource that is helping others. And people call me Miracle Mom. An MBA by qualification, an artist at heart, and a parent at the core. I'm an author, a life coach, and a parenting expert. My challenge is now my channel, making my life purposefully.
So generally, I don't believe in, quoting somebody. Because if it's your work, and then you put somebody else's quote, you're giving the whole, अपनी मेहनत का सारा आप उसको दे रहे हैं दूसरे को. So I don't believe, none of my students, I tell them create your own quotes. So that is why and I use alliteration. My challenge is now my channel, making my life purposefully perfect.
Perfect.
So this is how, stop. So this is how the whole story, it ends. It began with my life was perfect before that. And there are many more techniques. Sharing can. And do you want to know what difference, Sakshi, she introduced me, I'm a sales pitch consultant. With my guidance, the conversion rate increases by 60 to 80%. And I'll tell you, yes, it is. And I'll tell you, there was one person, one of my students, he was attending my storytelling workshop, and he said, immediately he said, Nirmit, can you talk to me? I said, fine. He said, Nirmit, Indian market is dead. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं रखा. He was a NEET consultant. तो वो कंसल्टेशंस जो करते हैं, जो लोग बच्चे नीट का एग्जाम देते हैं उसके बाद, तो बोले कि अब जो सिस्टम हो गया है उसमें अब कुछ काम नहीं रह गया. आई वॉन्ट यू टू हेल्प मी अब्रॉड, वहां पे अपना नाम बनाने के लिए. ऐसे ठीक है, वहां तो कर लेंगे, पहले इसमें देख लेते हैं क्या है. बोले कुछ नहीं रखा अभी इसमें. अभी सैटरडे को भी मेरा वेबिनार है, 5-6 हजार की सेल होती है एक वेबिनार में मेरी, एंड आई एम फेड अप. आई सेड ओके, शो मी योर स्क्रिप्ट. उसकी स्क्रिप्ट हमने मॉडिफाई की. 5-6 हजार की सेल की जगह वो पहले ही दिन में, मतलब उस वेबिनार के, I'll just show you what he said. 1 second.
Ma'am, thanks a lot. Today I used your way, which you said that half the time when they get engaged, you have to pitch your product. And to my surprise, I had 431 participants today, and out of which within first half an hour I have received more than 43 payments for one-to-one session. Thanks a lot.
Not just that. उसके बाद बोले कि अब नेक्स्ट वेबिनार के लिए और अच्छा प्रिपेयर करेंगे. I said no. Do you have a sales team? He said yes, I have a sales team. So I said ये जो बाकी जिन्होंने नहीं रजिस्टर किया है बोले वो तो गए, वो नहीं आते अब. मैं कहा नहीं. Call all of them. I'll give you the script, what to say, and उसके बाद 3 लाख की सेल हुई. तो जहां वो 5-6 हजार की सेल होती थी, 43,000 की तो वहां पे हुई वेबिनार के अंदर, और उसके बाद 3 लाख की और हुई. That is what, if you create your pitch properly, that sales pitch, and that is all through storytelling. It is all how you do it, how you engage the audience. So this is the kind of effect it has. Now, coming back to my presentation, I have a gift for you. So if any of you wants to join this 5 days storytelling program, you can send a WhatsApp to this number and tell me you have come through Posy Fest, and I'll give you 25% off. Trust me, it is my flagship program. बहुत मजा आता है, ये power packed है, and इतना कुछ मिलता है इसमें, कुछ कहने की नहीं. Like, people love this program. Money back guarantee I can give on this. Yes, seriously. So any of you, or if you want your whole institute or your teacher to come and me to take this in 2 days, just let me know, and then we can work out. Because you're coming through Posy Fest, I'll give you a 25% discount. But do write to me today only. This discount happens only when you connect with me today only. It gets over by midnight. It's valid only till midnight. So in that, if you can connect with me, and I'll take you through. This is a beautiful program, and you will learn a lot. And now I'm ready to take any questions. If you have any questions, ask me.
Nimrita just shared the link in the chat in how I use storytelling to define what I'm going through my situation. So if you get the time, do read it.
Sure. So can you send it to me on this number, WhatsApp number?
Yeah, sure, I can do that.
Yeah. Send it to me. I'll go through it, and I'll, guide you, whatever.
No, I don't think I need guidance on that, because I'm just trying to tell you that I do use this mechanism because people don't understand many times, and how storytelling helps in this.
Definitely.
So this has already made a lot of impressions all around. So
Vajanti Nagarkar is asking, is this a one-to-one or a group session? Yes, it is a group, but a very small group, because I make you do work and I check that work. So each one of you will be creating very powerful stories, and you will be putting all the masala and the audience perspective and everything in that within the classroom, and a little bit of homework if required, if you're not able to finish within the class. And everything is done. So I see each and every person. I keep a very small group of 8 to 10 maximum, not more than that. Small group, so that I can take care of each one of you. I'll tell you. One girl she was sitting in my, her name is Supriya. She was attending my storytelling program. And on third day in the morning, like whatever story, I listened to people's story. And she told her story of, how her fiance had fallen off the building just before the, her wedding, and how it was there was a court case for 3 years and so much of mudslinging and all that. And because of which she had shut down. She had stopped talking. She was in the corporate sector. She had just left her job. And she said, even in the lunch breaks, I would not like to, mingle with anybody. I was not speaking at all. She was like numbed. That this kind of thing happens when you go through so much. You have so much to say that you just can't say it. And I told her ki, okay, I see something, this should be your entry video on super speaker competition. Is the national level competition of best motivational speaker. I said, no, I've never done that, nothing of this sort. I said, just trust me and go for it. And today she is in top 10. There were 4 lakh participants and it is a year-long journey. And today, and she came off with this and she was so happy that she said it gave me power to tell my story my way. All this while everybody, you know how Indians are, how gossipy everybody is. Everybody was talking about giving her story, their versions of her story, but she could never speak hers. And through this competition, she spoke her story her way. And then next challenge, again, she told, okay, I want to say about this. Then third, she told, I want to say about the suicide attempts. I said, my God, Supriya, every challenge you're dropping one bombshell after another. कि ये भी था, ये भी किया है, वो भी किया है. And she said कि now I am like become fearless. इतने सालों में कुछ नहीं बोली और अब मुझे सब कुछ बताना है. जब मैं ही सब कुछ बोल दूंगी तो आप लोग क्या गॉसिप करोगे? कुछ रह ही नहीं जाएगा. मैं I don't want to give them anything to gossip. And she got 2 brand endorsements after that. And she's doing fantastic. She's got very high ticket clients after that. And she was so lost when she came. So the power of voice is so amazing. So amazing. Yes. Any other question? 1 second. Let me just go through this. No, I didn't mention the course fees. Yeah, because I don't want to do any selling here. As I told you, I am a sales pitch consultant. अभी 2 दिन पहले मैंने workshop की थी. 80% registered. So just connect with me one-on-one and just tell me you're from Posy Fest and I'll give you 25% off. Let me take another questions. Timing and duration is generally in the evening. So I have, it happens once a month. 5 days, it is a 5 days program, 5 days continuously, 2.5 hours or 1 hour, 2 hours per day, it will be happening. I have 2 options. You can take 11 o'clock slot also, you can take the 7 o'clock slot, 7 p.m. or 11 a.m. So some people, they can attend at that time and some people, they can attend this time. So whichever is more suitable, it happens once a month. So whatever is suitable for you, you can take that slot. And I'm a little flexible. So since there are not much of what you say, small groups, so I take care of the needs. कि हाँ ठीक है, निर्मित अगर 7 का 7:30 हो जाएगा, so then if everybody is okay, then 7:30 कर लेते हैं. But it's more or less ये 2 slots होते हैं, एक morning का होता है और एक evening का होता है, so that it suits everybody. Any other question? Vayanti, do connect with me on the WhatsApp. Just send me and I'll give you all the details. Any other question? And do Sakshi has posted my social media handles. Do follow them. I keep posting a lot of content over there. So free का ज्ञान, मुफ्त का ज्ञान वहां पे मिलता है. So you can follow these, all of them.
Okay, so
Sure,
we are
Vayanti.
open for any questions, any queries, any doubts, anything that on a personal note you would like to connect or ask some questions to Nirmit regarding any concerns you have. The platform is open for you all.
Yes.
Yes, anyone?
सी 2 केसेस में होता है कि जब कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं होते, या तो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया या कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया. आई होप ये सेकंड वाला ना हो.
I think I was with you right from the beginning, so I did understand and I don't have questions. Sorry.
Thank you so much, Jaitrali. Despite not being well, still you attended.
It was a lovely session. Thank you so much.
Yes, Ashok ji.
Sorry, Nimrat, I couldn't attend the full session. I was on a client call, so I attended last half an hour. So I think so
Okay.
most of the half the portion was missed out. So that's why I'm listening to what things are happening. But the
Okay.
remaining half, I really enjoyed your Miracle Mom. That was an excellent thing. Really mind-blowing, really. God bless you, dear. Really, God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And you know what? It's natural. It was very difficult for me to come up with this story of my daughter's challenge openly on the internet. And I was like thinking, bolu, nahi bolu, bolu, nahi bolu. And finally, I thought, no, it will help so many others who are facing the same problem and a similar problem. And I can't tell you how many people approached me and I could help them. See, the mother in all this, any such challenge comes, the mother has to be the strongest.
Yeah.
वो एक नॉर्मल मदर से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होना पड़ता है उसको.
Yes.
You have to protect your child from all the pity that is coming from relatives, friends. मतलब pity नहीं चाहिए होती है किसी को.
नहीं.
The best part was when I came up openly, my daughter was quite small at that time, and she heard, and she started very confidently telling that, okay, I have a hearing problem. क्योंकि अब इसमें कोई वो ही नहीं रह गया था कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है. इट इज नथिंग टू बी हिडन. उसको ये मैसेज गया, सटल मैसेज गया, एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, नेक्स्ट ईयर my brother was in ICU. कुछ एक इंसेक्ट बाइट की वजह से सडनली प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी. Me and my husband, we shifted to my mom's place, and both my daughters were with their dadi. And one fine day, my elder daughter is saying कि मम्मा इसके स्कूल में कुछ टैलेंट हंट है और इसने नाम अपना मोटिवेशनल स्पीच में दे दिया है. And I was like, मोटिवेशनल स्पीच, टैलेंट हंट है, डांस इतना अच्छा करती है, डांस में. बोले कि मम्मी वो तो ठीक है, ऊपर से कल इसका ऑडिशन है और इसने गूगल से स्पीच तैयार कर लिया है. गूगल की थोड़ी ना दे सकते हैं. मैं को ऑब्वियसली नहीं दे सकते. मैं कहा अब टॉपिक क्या है? तो उसने कहा कि मम्मा 15th अगस्त का है तो कुछ इंडिपेंडेंस से रिलेटेड है. सो आई टोल्ड हर शी नोज ऑल माय स्पीचेस बाय हार्ट. और जो ग्रैंड फिनाले था उसमें मेरी सेकंड स्पीच थी, व्हाट इंडिया मीन्स टू मी. उसको वो भी याद होगा. सो वो बोलने को बोल दो. तो शी ओपन दैट स्पीच और इट्स ऑन यूट्यूब. सो शी सेड कि मम्मा इसमें बहुत बड़े बड़े टर्म्स हैं, अबंडेंस एंड ऑल, बच्चे के ऊपर नहीं अच्छे लगते. मैं कहा ओके फाइन. I went to my mom's place. This is happening at 9 o'clock in the night. The child has to sleep and morning is the audition. I was writing maximum 80% I kept the same. And बाकी की मैं उसको ट्रांसलेट कर करके मैं उसको दे रही थी कि हाँ इसको थोड़ा सा सिंपल कर देंगे. By morning, before going to school, she had learned the new speech. And that 15th August, she gave that speech in front of the whole school.
Wow.
Somebody who has speech clarity issues because of hearing, who used to shy away from limelight, who would not even speak, in class, कि लोगों को मेरी समझ पे नहीं आएगी, लोग हंसेंगे types. She gave a full-fledged speech in front of the whole school. Her preschool, pre-primary teachers, they called me. They saying, Nirmit, I was having goosebumps because they had seen her journey from the beginning, how she was. And she's saying they were crying and she couldn't believe she has come such a long way. So you never know what doors open up. I always say, I was a parenting expert at that time. I always say, don't tell your children what to do. Just start doing it. They will copy it. I had never even known that, she will copy me. I mean, public speaking was not even in my bucket list. My elder daughter is a good public speaker. I had trained her. Second वाले के लिए मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था, मेरी bucket list में भी नहीं था. If you see, मैं coding पे ध्यान दे रही थी कि जहाँ पे बोलना ही ना हो. And this came as such a big surprise. And now she gets the best marks in all speaking activities in school. So you never know what happens. If you want your children to do something, don't tell them, just start doing it yourself. They will follow you. So many stories. These are all stories. And I'm sure in your lives also, there must be so many stories. And they're all so inspiring. All right. I saw this message late. The screen was on. I didn't know that.
No worries.
All right. All right.
So thank you so much, Nirmit. And I think we are so inspired hearing your story that definitely the action plan will start today for our kids. Start doing yourself so that they can do it. So thank you so much for sharing your inspiring story. Thank you everyone for being a part of this Posy Fest. We'll see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.